Hey everyone, it's Maria here. We haven't met before. My name is Maria Sumilov. I'm the personality decoder. And I help people build better relationships with themselves, with their significant other, another person in their lives that is important to them, say at work, or teams and communities. So today we're talking about Groundhog Day. So basically, have you ever experienced the same situation arising over and over and over again? I got a question recently from a client who said, it seems like anywhere I go, I attract certain kind of behavior from people. So if I'm at work, I'm usually the person who's helping other people. If I'm at home, I'm having to drive everything in the household so that things will get done. And and I spoke to her about it, and I asked, well, what's the common denominator here? What is something that always tends to happen? What's the pattern? And she said, well, I think the pattern is me. So well done, Anita, for recognizing that. I think the pattern is, she said, I think the pattern is me, and I think that, in fact, I have a situation going on in my life where I'm attracting the same things over and over and over again. And I asked her, is this something that's happened in different jobs? So you're saying it happens at home, it happens at your work, but has it happened in the past in different jobs and in different relationships? And she said yes. So what needs to happen is that you need to first of all start asking questions. What don't you already know about the situation? What else could be going on? Do you have all the facts? Is what you're perceiving a perception through the lens of trauma, or is it a perception through your open eyes and open mind? And expect cognitive dissonance to happen. That cognitive dissonance is basically your incapacity to make sense of the evidence that's being presented to you because it's contrary to what you've always believed. So expecting cognitive dissonance is very important when you are wanting to learn new things or learning to discover your blind spots. So ask questions, expect cognitive dissonance, and then finally learn new skills. So when we are in those spaces of defending our current position, we are not in a position of, our mind is not open to learning. If you know about brain anatomy, you may have heard about the limbic brain or the fight or flight brain. And you may have heard of prefrontal cortex, and those two parts of the brain can't really be activated at the same time. So you're either super defensive or you're curious, but you can't usually be both. So if you find yourself being defensive, give yourself a little bit of time and reassure yourself that even if you were wrong about this, that you would still survive. A lot of the times our egos don't allow us to do that. We tend to say, oh no, I have to be right, because if I'm wrong, then it means that I'm a bad person or that there's something wrong with me, which of course is not true. It's just our ego's way of trying to preserve itself. So we need to ask questions. We need to expect that there will be cognitive dissonance. We will experience our beliefs being challenged. And that we need to learn to be flexible, psycho-emotionally flexible, so that we can, in fact, learn new facts, learn new ways of being, and continue to develop ourselves and grow ourselves and heal ourselves. All right. Thank you for tuning in this video in Facebook, in YouTube, on LinkedIn. Good to see you all. Hey Tom, hey Jill, good to see you. Hey Adele, it's great to see you all live here today. Anyhow, I'd love to hear your main takeaway. And of course, if you are wanting to dive deeper into this topic, we do have a learning unit of what we've talked about today and how to really discover the blind spots and continue to systematically change them. All right, we'll talk to you soon. and I hope you'll have a fantastic week. Take care.